today with another video. But before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you're not subscribed to my channel already. Or subscribed to my channel already, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Now today's unit is going to be brought to you by the company Beautyforever Hair. Of course, I'm going to make sure to leave all the details down below in the description area. But I'm super excited to show you guys this unit. Okay, I know what I picked. I know what's in here. I just haven't peeked at it. So we're going to open up this box if I can get this tape off of here. And then it comes in this bag. It looks like they also sent over some pre-everything tape. And then they included an edge band, your HD wig caps, and then an edge brush. But let's go ahead and get into this unit. This is their 7x5 Glueless Finger Coil wig. This one is 20 inches in length. It's 150% in density. Look at those coils. I can see that the back isn't as coiled as the front, but yeah, we'll see once we put everything on. See, they went ahead and pre-bleached those knots, and they also pre-cut the lace. And you can tell they plucked out that hairline. I cannot wait to put this on. Is your parting space area. You don't get any combs on the side. However, you get your adjustable, removable elastic band in the nape area. You also get an adjustable strap, which I appreciate because I do have a small head and I need extra security. Now against my skin, let's see. That is what the lace looks like. If you don't know, or if you're new to my channel, I always like to add just a very small amount of tint spray to the front, just because if I'm going to wear a unit glueless, I just want to be able to put it on, and tint spray just always helps to make it look as realistic as possible. So I'm just going to put a little bit in the very front. It doesn't need it in the parting space area, but just right here is where I like to put my tint spray. And then I'm gonna dry it down, and then we're gonna put this baby on. Added my tint spray. If you don't know, I like to use the lace overlay by the company Tailored Crowns. I wear the color Almond. And I'm gonna go ahead and adjust my straps. I hope this isn't too big on my head, cause y'all know I got a small little head. So most things are just don't fit me like I want it to fit. All right, so I'm gonna adjust that, and then I'm gonna tighten up my elastic band. So then I ended up adjusting that to the middle. Let's go ahead and remove this. Oh, yes. I ain't worried about my edges today, since this is just a closure wig. All right, let's go ahead and try this on. All right, y'all, bye, video done. See y'all later. I ain't got nothing else to do. Like, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And it fits. It's pretty snug to my head. It's pretty snug to my head. I love that for me. I love that for me. Oh yes, I probably could loosen up the adjustable strap because Miss Ma'am is fitted. Oh, I love that for me. Small head girls, we got us one. We got us one. All right, let's go ahead and get into the hairline. This is what the hairline is looking like. Like I told y'all, I added my tint spray. Right here, I could probably trim off just a very small amount of lace. Not a big deal, but this hairline looks so natural. Come on, focus. This hairline looks so natural. Like, oh my goodness. It looks super good. The curls on this look very, very nice. Look at the coils. Oh, the coils. Now, like I stated, the back isn't as coiled. In fact, I'm trying to pull out how much I think isn't as coiled. So yeah, this amount, that's easy. Easy fix. We're not gonna worry about that, okay? All right, but yes, the hair on this is really nice. I love, 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 love the length. Like, this is a perfect curly length. I am not mad at this at all. Now, as far as my sides go, this is what it looks like. My ears aren't bending. My ears aren't bending at all. I'll probably end up bobby pinning this so it doesn't move, because this is just a closure. Starting space is nice and open. If you wanted to move this, you definitely can. I'm not gonna open this up all the way because I do not want to mess up the coils, but boom, scalp. They did that when it came to bleaching the knots on this unit. It's gonna be a really, really simple and easy install. Okay, we're gonna get to it. Let's just jump into it. We're gonna pin this hair back real quick. Talk about beginner friendly. Yes, ma'am. I'm going to trim off just a small amount of lace right here. You don't have to do that. You can leave yours on. Then grab my bobby pins and let's pin this down on the side so we can make sure this is not going to move. I'm going to take another bobby pin and pin it right here where this part is. I'll be using my olive oil mousse. And I'm just going to put this around the front of the hairline. Just tap that in. All right, so I'm just gonna let that band sit for a while, okay? I don't feel like much is needed, but we can just kind of tighten up a few things. I'm not gonna use any water because I just wanna really focus on these ends. I'm just going to take a little bit of my mousse and just hit these ends. I'm trying to see which way they coiled it. What does it matter if it's going towards the back? All right. could show you guys other styles with this unit, especially because the parting space is so good, but I refuse to mess up these coils. I refuse to mess up these coils. You're gonna get this middle part. Okay, she's pretty. She's absolutely gorgeous. Can you move it to the side? Yes. Can you do like a little, you know, half back look? Yes. But is the middle part eating? Yes, it is. And we just gonna keep it just like this. She's gorgeous. And double points because it fits my head. This one is super, super beginner friendly. And yes, I know that curly hair does require work, but the install itself is not going to take you any time because they pretty much already did the work for you. Yes, I did go in with a little bit of mousse and kind of define the back parts because the back wasn't coiled up like that. I also went around the front and recoiled a few pieces, and the hair looks good. How nice and full it is. I did end up putting a little bit of my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum throughout the hair because of this texture to get a little bit of frizziness. And also I'm noticing, you know what, I'm not really noticing a lot of flyaways. It's just more frizziness. But because of the texture, I actually like the kind of frizzy look up here. It doesn't look perfect. Now I did go around the front of the hairline and add a little bit of my wax, and I used my hot comb to just press it out to make it a little bit more sleek, and then I kind of push the hair up like this. And I didn't put any wax at the top just because, like I said, I like the natural frizzy look. I love the length of this. It's 20 inches. I would not mind if it was sitting up here also. So 18 inches would also be perfect because it's going to hit perfectly. But this length is not too bad at all. Of course, once you stretch it out, it is going to be longer. But with the curls and everything, it's going to sit about right here. The density on this is nice and full. You're not going to have to worry about your track showing or anything, or it feeling thin in the back area. I love it. Because of this little track right here, could you put this in a ponytail? Let's see. You could, but you would probably have to cover that up because it is a little bit thicker, so it's going to show. But it also is laying very flat, so you don't have to. Parting space, it's on point. It's on point. I don't have anything negative to say. As far as shedding and tangling goes, I really didn't get any shedding because the wig was already pre-styled. I did not wash it. It just came looking coiled and ready to go out the pack. So as of right now, I'm not getting any shedding. I'm pretty sure once I wash the wig and I start to styling it a little bit more, I will probably notice some shedding. And snags, let's be realistic, is going to happen. It's curly hair. It's going to happen. So you are going to have to expect some snags, and you want to make sure you take care of the wig, and the wig gonna take care of you. 2 thumbs up for the closure. Okay, for my ladies who do not like to wear frontals, we're keeping it glueless. Yes, you can take this off, put it back on, plop it on your mannequin head. When you wash it, restyle it, let it air dry, and you're good to go. Fluff it apart. And yeah, she is one I would definitely add to cart. I really don't have any cons when it comes to this unit. For it to be ready to wear out the box like that, the install literally took me no time. What you guys think about this one? Are you feeling it? Let me know. Like I said, I love to give you guys multiple style options, but this just looks so beautiful. But if you wanted to push it to the side and rock it in different ways, you definitely can. She's gorgeous. I'm not mad at it. And Beautyforever said, here you go. We got it ready for you. If you are feeling this one, I am going to leave the links down below in the description area once again. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.